Hi everyone, this is Ivan Hongzhe, and this is my first YouTube video I ever upload, and today we are going to unboxing the 80th anniversary push along Thomas. As you can see here, this package here looks really cool. Yeah, the CGI render on it, the render of Thomas, logo, and the logo of 80th anniversary to celebrate the very series 80th anniversary. That's cool. And inside the box, you got push on itself. It has the nice looking face, the funnel, the details, including the side watts, and that's pretty neat. So without further ado, let's unbox this Blue Tank Engine himself. Slowly. Well, guys, it's gonna take a bit. Hey, no need. Yeah, my dad he also helped me about the make a first YouTube video I ever upload. Cause I'm still learning. So I'm just learning. Help me. I can't open it. Like I can't open it. Since I can't open properly, there's just and here he is, folks. Thomas the push along Thomas the Tank Engine himself. Would you look at him? The face. The CGI version of face. Really cool. The black bars, the coupling, the details. The whistle is quite small and the funnel is side watts. Side watts look still pretty. But the only probably is the back of the buffer was even painted black, which totally fine, totally fine though. Also, I rate this push on Thomas toy 9 out of 10. And after I bought this, I might plan getting on 3 more push along engines like Percy, James, and Henry. They're the only ones they have Toys R Us. Or sometimes I wish they could also make Edward, Gordon, Toby, Emily, or any other engines that Mattel should make. So thanks for watching, everyone. About my first YouTube video. See you next time. Bye.